Good morning, paint video watching people. Hope you're having a beautiful day. I don't have to work today, so it's a beautiful day for me. We'll see how everything goes here. Just spraying the back of the canvas here to tighten it up a little, because I got a little spot on here on the bottom that's a little pushed in from probably sitting here for a while. But 18 by 24 canvas. I'm gonna pour some white on here today, and this is mixed with the usual, the Floetrol that I usually use, but I used something else for the paints. I said I'd try using two different things, see how it goes. Maybe it'll be good, maybe it'll be bad. Either way, it is better than working or doing something serious, because this is supposed to be for fun, for enjoyment. And if I'm lucky, it'll be because somebody likes it, wants to have it in their home. So I've got a ridiculous amount of paintings in my house, so if I can share some of these with other people, that'd be fantastic. Not hoping to get rich. No, just recoup a little bit of the material costs, so I can keep doing this and having fun, spreading a little joy in the world, hopefully. But so, like I said, I mixed the white with the Floetrol, but the other paints are mixed with Elmer's glue all. I've done one with Elmer's school glue that turned out interesting, but you're, according to the experts, you're supposed to use glue all and not Elmer's school glue. So that is what I did this time. So we've got a red violet from Amsterdam. I usually don't use the heavier bodied paints, but I thought, why not today? Because this is the color I wanted. And we have a metallic black and a purple flash color, which you probably can't tell from there. And we have a silver. So the silver turned out a lot more weird and liquidy than I had hoped. So, ooh, yeah, that's a weird sound. So instead of doing what I was going to do, I'm going to just put the silver in between the layers. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that is not the sound you are hoping for if you're doing this. If you're hoping for no sound. That's okay. if anybody is from around here. Ooh. Everybody's getting ready for the big town event that happens every other year. But because of COVID, it's been 4 years since we've had cheese days here in beautiful Monroe, Wisconsin. And a lot of people looking forward to it. A lot of work goes into it. A lot of volunteering opportunities, which luckily this year I don't have to do. You just relax and do whatever. So I can share some of Wisconsin with our exchange student from Spain, who just happens to be lactose intolerant. So a festival dedicated to milk and cheese maybe not the greatest thing ever, but there's lots of stuff to look at, so hopefully it'll still be fun for her. This is leaking out a lot more than I would have liked, but that will happen. Sometimes you gotta hold on to it for dear life and hope. Ooh. All right. Oof. That silver is going to do some funky stuff because it's more liquidy. It should kind of sneak around the edges of everything else instead of being a really obvious color by itself. So, which is, kind of fun. So we'll see. Ooh, that's mixing a lot. That's okay. So, ooh. Well, I don't like this big white spot in the middle here because I don't want to get rid of all that. So if I can. Some of that. There we go. Ooh. Well, that is doing some interesting stuff. Let's some fire on this and see. Oh, that's bad. All right. Well, we'll see what this looks like when it dries. This is one of those that you don't know what you're going to get until you're all done. But thanks for watching. See you next time.